पवनः पवतामस्मि रामशस्त्रभृतामहम् झषाणामकरश्चास्मि स्रोतसामस्मि जाह्नवी.
Of purifiers, I am the wind, I am Rama among warriors. Of fish, I am the shark, and of rivers, I am Janhavi, Ganga. Pavana, wind, is so refreshing. It's life-giving, purifying. When you open your wound to air, it heals. That's why you never close it up. TB patients were sent to hill stations in the past before the cure came, and that in itself was rejuvenating. So he says, I am this fresh, life-giving breeze, wind, among the purifiers. Among wielders of weapons, among warriors, I am Rama. Valmiki presented Rama as a symbol of perfection. And till today, thousands of years later, Rama is still a source of inspiration to all of us. But he was always ready to fight, and he was strong. His judgment was clear. His loyalties were unquestioned. And in every situation, every challenge that he faced, he came up with flying colors because his values were right. And we can also get to the state of Rama if we inculcate the right values and exert ourselves. Rama was called Patita Pavana, redeemer of the fallen, and gave strength to people. Makara, shark, is the largest, most powerful among fish. Janhavi is Ganga, represents spiritual knowledge that has been flowing in this country for thousands and thousands of years. Don't allow this Janhavi to get polluted. Don't allow this to disappear from our minds. Because Bhagiratha, the sage, put in a great deal of effort to get the Ganga to flow down, to get the spiritual knowledge down on earth. And as we saw earlier, it had to be absorbed by Lord Shiva. You have to be a great tapasvi to first absorb the knowledge. And then you have to let it out in trickles, in small doses, so that the common people can benefit from the knowledge. As Shankaracharya says in Bhaja Govindam, Bhagavad Gita kinchitadhita, kinchit, just a little bit. What is this little bit? 4 days in a whole year. And that also, if you dither, then there's a problem. And 3 dips in the Ganga, even till today, the devotion, this belief is there, that if you take the 3 dips in the Ganga, you'll be purified. What it means is, 3 dips means the transcendence of the body, mind, and intellect. When you bathe yourself in the spiritual knowledge, don't go and take 3 dips in the Ganga, nothing will happen. But this is it. And allow the spiritual knowledge to flow through you and over you, and you'll become a transformed person. Now let's get back to the take-home points.